first we're gonna talk about how to hold a knife. Well, actually, let's first about how to rest a knife. A knife that is not in use should be resting in front of you with the blade turned away at all times. Okay. When we want to hold a knife, we're gonna do a pinch grip. Can you say pinch grip?
Pinch grip.
Beautiful. So you're gonna get your index and thumb and pinch right where we call the bolster, is where the blade meets the handle, okay? So this is our pinch grip. And then you get the other fingers and wrap around the handle. Beautiful. Now, when we're holding onto a knife, the blade always looks down and is as close to the board as possible, okay? And we're trying to keep a straight line. Second thing, we're gonna talk about chopping. How are you with chopping?
I'm very good at chopping.
Beautiful. All right, you wanna have a flat surface resting on the board. In this case, in my mushroom, I have to wiggle a little bit the stem, so now I have a flat surface. Go ahead, chef, we can put that back in there. Beautiful. The next thing is I'm gonna do here the rainbow hold or the bridge hold, and I hold my vegetable there. And then with our pinch grip, the knife go right between our hands and we can press it down. Gorgeous. And now we find another flat surface. Chef, you wanna show us how you do it?
You use the bear claw and you use your knuckles as a guide.
Wow.
Chop, and look at that.
This beauty.
Then the knife does all the other work for you. You just got to keep a straight line down and out.
Today, Chef Marcello is using a serrated knife because he's an older kid. But you should always gauge the kind of equipment you're using with the age of the kid you're working with. You're working with a tiny kid that still doesn't have all the gross, fine motor skills. They can use a butter knife and just have the knife over their ingredient. I'm holding with my pinch grip as much as possible. The non-dominant hand is on top. We just press it down. For the very little kids, you may have to do the press it down. Sometimes they have that kind of strength.
You want it to kind of be steady, straight, nice and clean. There's no guaranteed fact that it's going to be perfect,
but it's gonna be delicious.
Yeah, that's guaranteed if you're working with Chef Vanessa. And for olives and smaller things, what you want to do is you want to use the rainbow or the bridge. Just slide the knife under, press it down, and pull back.
As Chef Marcello was telling us, we make a bridge so those little fingers will hold on the edges of that food and the knife is gonna slide right between them and come down. There we go. Chef Marcello, I have a question. Why do we think we like to share our food with the people we love?
Because it spreads love and it spreads affection, and it's one of my favorite things about cooking, because cooking for me symbolizes love and affection, and just spreading that makes me feel happy inside.
You just said something out of my own heart. Thank you, Chef. That's how I feel too.